Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate Peugeot 208. This is the 1.2 PureTech Active 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So as we can see there from the front bumper, there is no scuffs and no scratches. Moving onto the bonnet there, no dents, no scratches, so nothing untowards. Alloys are also nice and clean. As you can see there, it is the 15-inch alloys which are not marked. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. The back bumper is also nice and clean, so there is no scuffs, no scratches, so nothing untoward onto the back of the vehicle as well. RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover is also included within the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we'll give you more options. So let's have a look at the interior as well. So let's go onto the dash first. As you can see, they're nice and clean. There is no marks on the dash there. Screen is also nice and clean there as well. So usually there would be, there is a case of scratches on the screen. However, that's not the case with this one. It is nice and clean as it were left manufacturer. So seats as well, nice and clean there. As you can see, there is no tears on the seats, no marks. The car's been fully validated by us as well. Right, let's have a look at the back seats as well. So as you can see there, the back seats are also nice and clean there as well, so there is no marks. It does also have the ISOFIX there, as you can see, so nice safety point there for the children. Right, let's have a look at the boot space as well. Obviously, I know being the 208, it does have a pretty nice and fair boot space. Obviously, for the size of the vehicle, you do get a lot of boot as well. Right, so the back seats, once again, as you can see there, so it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odors inside the vehicle. As you can see there, the back seats are very nice and clean as well, so there is no marks on the back seats. As I mentioned earlier, the car's been fully validated by us as well. So front driver's door, as you can see there, it does have the electric front windows, and it does also have the electric mirrors, so you can adjust your mirrors on the door. Moving on there to the multifunctional steering wheel. As you can see there, it is a full leather steering wheel. It does also have the paddle shift as well, and as you can see there, you do have your buttons as well. So just below, just there, you do have your cruise control, as you can see it, and then that's your lights. So your lights are there, and then your wipers on your other side. Anyways, moving on to the screen there. So this is the, if we click here, there's the radio, and you can go on source, and then there is the USB and the iPod. So the USB, which you plug just there. So with the USB, if you plug your phone in, it does mirror your sat nav, which will be connected on there as well. So you can connect it with the USB cable, and then it will go through. Telephone, so you can also connect your phone through Bluetooth, and it does also have the Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. Mirror link, so you can mirror everything onto your screen there from your phone. Moving on down here, we have the aircon, your automatic gearbox there. So inside the vehicle, the seats are nice and comfortable. Okay, so just to recap before we finish off the video there, the car, as you saw there, is offered in excellent condition inside and out. It is a one owner from new. Rushmores have done a full service on the vehicle and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we can definitely assist you.